Hello everyone, this is Triyasha and today I am going to make an abstract painting and it will be a tutorial video. So don't skip it and watch this video till the end. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, press the subscribe button below and click the bell button for receiving all of my videos first. Hey everyone, if you like my video then press the like button below and comment me if you want any other kind of paintings from my channel and